Lindsay. We live in Heron Ridge, Virginia Beach. We've lived here for 22 years. Well, we've known Scott since he's about this high. He's my son's best friend, and we've seen his work, and you know, everything's good with Scott. Well, we had cement all through this, all the patio, and over the years it cracked and it sagged and it just didn't look good anymore. So Scott came over and gave us a design, and we looked at it and decided that's the way we wanted to go, and they did a great job. Yes, absolutely. I would recommend Solid Structures.